Hi guys, today I'm going to rank the brawlers gadgets as you see in the title. So without wasting any time, I'm going to start the recording and tell you which are the top 10 gadgets of this game right now. I'm going to put friendly and now let me take that brawler. So guys, as the number 10 on the list is Sprout. Sprout gadget is very useful in many ways. In many scenarios, Sprout gadget is OP. As you can see, I'm hitting this Frank. As you can see, I'm working good. And I also have my star power overgrowth because I'm playing friendly. And in the real I don't have it. Look. While I am at low health, this Frank is chasing. He can kill me in 1 minute. Not anymore. I have used my gadget. So guys, just look at that. How I baited that Frank. You see guys. How did I get full health this early? Very nice. So as you can see guys, there's a showdown. Oh, one's here. Where is this Frank? Frank killed himself. I don't know how. As you can see, I'm number 1. Caesar Sprout gadget is so useful. And as per your wish, the number 9 on the list is Jessie. It's Jessie's gadget, Spark Plug. In this gadget, Jessie slows down all the enemies in the splash of its turret's rage. So nice. A very good gadget. Make sure you guys get this gadget. In real, this is also level 10. Wow guys, this is so nice. Let me bush camp for a little while. Let's go out. Let me charge my super. No, B, don't kill me. No. Sorry guys, I couldn't show you the gadget, but I'll try again. So as you see guys, this Colt is trying to bully me. Let me take this chest right here and show you the gadget as soon as possible guys. That Penny killed the Colt. I want to charge my super on him. Oh, look, the bounce shot killed the Penny. I'm almost have my super. Look at this guys, look at this. Slowed her down. Look, the Penny cannon killed her. This is so nice. You guys see the gadget is so useful. Who the hell used her super? That was a Shelly. She is dead. Okay. So now I think so I should die. So you see guys, it saved me from that Jackie, the gadget. So OP. The number 8 on our list is Barley. What his gadget does, if someone comes on top of Barley, he just slows them down. It is so cool. Did you guys thought that how this gadget would work? Let this Poco come on me. Let's. I used that gadget. Saved me. You see, guys, I slowed down that Poco and killed him. That's why this gadget is number 8 on my list. Let me take these cubes. This Brock is now irritating me. So as you see, guys, I just barely escaped from that Poco because of this gadget. Oh, I died, but doesn't matter. This gadget is OP. The number 7 on our list is gonna be El Primo. El Primo's supplement gadget is so nice. Literally, it throws away the brawlers. You can throw the brawlers inside the poison gas, and you don't even need to worry that what will happen of you. Just put them in the gas. Get out of bad scenarios. Look now, this Poco is coming to kill me. I'm just gonna throw away. I'm gonna throw him away. And look, that narrow escape from that Poco. That's why this gadget is number 7th on my list. Get lost, Poco. You see, guys, that gadget saved me, but still Shelly killed me. That doesn't matter. You see that gadget saved me 2 times from the Poco. That's why it's number 7th on our list. The number 6 gadget on our list is Piper's homemade recipe gadget. You see, guys, this gadget is too OP. Literally, Piper shot curves. Look, that curve shot hit that bee. Otherwise, that bee would have survived that. See how cool is this gadget. That's why this gadget is number 6th on my list. Just look, that bee. She would have survived with some 300 health. But not today. This gadget is too OP. That's why it's number 6th on my list. So let me try this Jackie out right there. Ooh, I think so that Brock narrow escape. Let's go and win. I won. So now, guys, let's come to our 5th gadget. That's the Brock's gadget. This gadget, the Brock can jump. Brock can jump through the walls to everything. He can jump to everything. Look, this Barley just died like a fool. Let me take this chest out right there. I'm taking so many chests. Just see. Now let's jump and kill this 8-bit. Just see, guys, so I jumped on him. Let's jump on this Gene and killed him. You see, guys, how I jumped on him as well. Nida Bear is coming right here. So this Nida is gonna die. See guys, this Penny is hiding there. Not today, I'm coming for you. So she survived because I used my super. I am dumb. But she is not gonna survive. She's not gonna win this match, that's for sure. She's dead. Let's see guys, this fifth gadget on our list, fifth number on our list is 2 OP. Now the fourth on our list is gonna be Jackie. This Jackie's gadget is 2 OP. It got a nerf, otherwise it would have been number first on our list. But now it's number 4th on our list. Look, that Mortis just came on top of me and died. He's a noob. A total sure noob. Look, this Rosa is trying to kill me, but that gadget just saved me from that Rosa. You can use this gadget to survive or something like that. Just see this. Like this. You can survive in any circumstances. Or what? So that's why this gadget is number 4th on our list. This is a very nice and OP gadget. And you must get it. So as you can see, I destroyed that Mr. P's powder. So now, let's go and kill them and finish this game. Let's reach to this spike and kill him. Nice. Let's go for Mr. P. And he's dead. So guys, Mr. P is dead. Our number 4 gadget, 2 OP. Now number 3rd on our list is gonna be Nida. Just see guys, Nida stuns everyone. His hyper base stuns everyone when you activate her gadget. So guys, see, the bear stuns everyone. And guys, you can, this gadget is so broken, so much broken. The stun is too annoying. And if you have hyper bear, no one can stop you unless he's a pro or he has a lot of health like Frag. What? How the hell? Did you guys see that Nani walked while she was doing a super? How is this even possible? So now let me put on my bear. Twins. Look, I stunned her. And she died. Look how OP that stun is. That stun is too much OP. This OP that you can't even thought. So now the number 2nd on our list is gonna be Bo. Bo's super totem gadget is too OP. He can literally charge a super without doing anything. Let me show you guys. See my super button, it's charging up. This Jackie died. So now let me put another to him right here. Look guys, I've placed this moment. Now look, I'm charging my super up. What can be more cooler than that? Just imagine guys, just you imagine getting Tara super one after one after one. 2 OP. That's why it's number 2nd on the list. Now let's go and die and let's move to the best gadget of the game as per my thoughts. I killed him. So let's go. Let me charge my super here for a little bit of while. what is that Max trying to do. Now let's go. See guys, and now the number one gadget on our list, guys, just it's gonna be thing guys. I'm making this more suspense. It's gonna be Frank's active noise canceller. Let me play him in Brawl Ball. Frank's active noise canceller is too OP gadget. Let me show you some plays of him. I do not have this gadget in real. I'm going to show you what this gadget can do. So let's see. Let me score this first. Oh, I missed. Sorry guys. These bots are not letting me to show my gadget. I don't know why. How OP are these bots? Oh no, this is a problem. Before the match ends, I need to show my gadget. You should see that guys, I activated my gadget and I didn't get knocked back. While in the first mine I did get knocked back, but in the second mine I didn't because I activated my gadget. So this thing that gadget can do, this gadget, it lets Frank dodge any stun. Frank cannot be stunned, Frank cannot be pulled, he can't be dragged, he can't be get knocked back. This is so nice. You guys can imagine now why is this number one on my list. So guys, this is gonna be end for this video. Please guys, let me share your comments. You share your comments that if you like my gadgets or not. If you like these gadgets should be in the top 10 list or not. Let me know in the comments down below. Please guys, I have only 19 subscribers right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.